to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new Scoop, Free Assembly, and Sofia Vergara. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. Scoop is this mesh beaded top. It has that higher neckline, stretchy, fitted through the wrist, lined through the body, and then that seam through the back. These are $24. Comes in the pink, also in the blue. No, they have the matching skirt, but I'm not seeing that here today. Also new from Scoop is this floral dress. So this one has that higher neckline with the gathering, the side seam detailing, elastic in the wrist, also has the elastic in the waist with the tier. Comes with the belt, and it does continue on the back with the little keyhole and the button. Comes in the blue floral, also that solid pink, and these are going to be $28. Also from Scoop are these layered tees. So they have that higher neckline, fitted through the wrist, also has that little peak of the ivory, the ruching on the side, Scoop in the middle. In the yellow, also comes in the taupe, and they're $16. Sneak peek white moto jacket from Scoop. This one has that oversized collar, side zipper, that zipper detail with also these zippered pockets, a little flap with the zipper through the wrist. It's completely lined, and then the really good seam detailing in the back, and these are going to be $40. Like cargo pants from Scoop. So these are a high rise. They have that elastic waistband, belt loops, side pocket, the cargo pocket with that seam going across, no pockets in the back, and these are going to be $28. Also new from Scoop is this button down little twist top. So this one has that mid-size collar. It's a full functioning button down with this twist, button detail on the wrist, and the seam in the back. In the black, also comes in the ivory. There's the ivory, and they are going to be $22. The color dress from Scoop. So this one has that smaller collar. It's a wrap style front with the hook and eye closure, button on the wrist, the asymmetrical hem, and the elastic through the back, and these are going to be $32. Also new raincoat from Scoop. This has that like iridescent look to it. Has that mock neck with the drawstring, two flat pockets, side pockets, elastic on the wrist. These are $40. I did see it in an ivory in Florida, but I don't think I filmed that one. A lot of new denim from Sophie Vergara. These have that lace up elastic waistband, two front pockets, flare at the bottom. These are the Marisol boot cut pull-on with the pockets in the back, and they are going to be $27.50. So in that Marisol boot cut are these cargo style jeans. So these are they look like a mid-rise. Yeah, mid-rise, flat pockets, seam detail, pockets on the back. These are $24.50. Blazer from Scoop. This one has that smaller collar lapel. It's lined on the inside, two flat pockets with the ruche sleeve, and then it also has those fabric covered buttons. These are $38. It also comes in pink, and they have the matching pants. Here's the matching pants. So these have that side button, zipper, pockets, straight through the leg, the trouser style pocket in the back. These are a boot cut. They're $28. In the pink, also comes in black. And blazer from Sofia Vergara. This one has the smaller collar lapel, double-breasted buttons, has the flat pockets, relaxed to the wrist, completely lined, the seam detailing. So we saw this pink before. They are at $39. Now it also comes in black. New tees from Sofia Vergara. These are that shorter kind of boxy fit, has that scoop neckline, drop sleeve. In the black, also comes in white and brown, and they're going to be $8. And then a sneak peek item from Sofia Vergara. This one has that higher neckline, stretchy. It looks like it's double lined, fitted through the body. It is shorter but not cropped. In the pink and white, and these are $10. So new high neck tees from Scoop. These have that higher neckline, short sleeve, fitted through the body. In the white, also comes in black and gray. and they're going to be $10. The twist ruche dress from Sofia Vergara. So these have that higher neckline, sleeveless, the ruching with this tie on the side, nice and flowy in the black. Also comes in blue, and they're going to be $24.50. Free assembly ruffled top. So this has that ruffled neckline, the rhinestone button, and then full functioning buttons with the button on the wrist. So it comes in the white, also in the blue and white stripe, and they're going to be $24. So brought back the oversized button downs from Free Assembly. These have that smaller collar, full button down with the scoop. You could see it's a little longer in the back, has a little like cutout detail with the pocket. Comes in the white, and then this is the newer color, the color block with the stripe, and these are $22. So new polo sweaters from Free Assembly. These have that mid-size collar, split, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. In the pink, also comes in ivory. These are $22. They also have a dress like this. I don't think I saw it in stores yet, but I did see it online. It looks really nice. Scoop faux leather trench. So I'm pretty sure these are on major sale online. They have that smaller collar, lapel, relaxed through the wrist, belted, seam detailing in the back. These are $45 in store. I'm pretty sure they're marked down to about $35 to $25 online. Rose's skinny jeans from Sofia Vergara. So these have that high rise, the whiskering, raw hem at the bottom, and then pockets on the back. They're completely solid, and these are going to be $22.50. New elbow length sweaters from Free Assembly. These have that scoop neckline, longer sleeve with a little ruffled trim, ribbed through the whole front and the back with the stripe. So it comes in the white with the navy stripe, and then also navy with the white stripe. These are $26. The navy also has that little bit of yellow trim on the sleeve. And then also in that same cut is going to be this little dress. So this one has that scoop neckline, the same kind of sleeve, fitted through the body, a flowy skirt. The ribbing is bigger at the bottom. So it comes in both of those same colors. And they are going to be $28. And it also comes in the navy and white stripe. New denim from Free Assembly. So these are a high rise. They have the two front pockets, belt loops, feeding through the leg. This is the patchwork wide leg, and they're $29. Also just noticed it comes in 2 washes. So this is considered the medium wash, and then it also comes in the dark wash. New scallop trim sleeveless sweaters from Free Assembly. These have that higher neckline with the scallop detailing, ribbed, fitted through the body, really good length. In the navy, also comes in pink, and they're $14. These look really good from Free Assembly. So they have that higher neckline, cap style. It's fitted through the body. This is the medium. These are regularly $12. Comes in the navy, white, and gray, and then also in this yellow. New button-down tops from Free Assembly. So these have that rounded neckline, the elastic on the wrist, scoops in the middle, full functioning buttons with the pocket. Comes in this blue floral, also in the pink, and they're $22. Also newer boat neck straight tops from Free Assembly. They have that higher neckline. It's a 3/4 sleeve with the slit, relaxed through the body with the slits in the side. This one also comes in the navy and white, and they're $18. Better look at the navy and white. And then in those same prints, and then also the fabric is this balloon sleeve top. I'm pretty sure this one sold out online. It's like an easy piece. It has that higher neckline, side seaming with the oversized balloon sleeve, relaxed through the front and the back in that pink and white, also in the navy and white, and they're going to be $16. Also new polo dresses from Free Assembly. They have that smaller collar, relaxed through the wrist. It's a 1/4 button. It's also relaxed to the body with the slits on the side. In the navy and white, also in that pink and white. And they are going to be $22. New trench coat from Free Assembly. This one has that smaller collar. It's actually like a bigger collar with the lapel. Double breasted buttons, has the color blocking. in the 2 shades of khaki with the side pocket. It has this embroidered stitching on the wrist, and then the seam through the back. These are $49. Also new utility style dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the smaller collar, full functioning buttons, and then the 2 flat pockets, cap sleeve, side pockets with the little button detail. Also comes with this belt, and then it continues around the back. In the green, also comes in this navy with the white stitching, and they're going to be $34. Flutter sleeve dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that elastic around the neckline, hook and eye closure, flowy through the sleeve, and then it also has that coverage on the side. Side pockets, really cute to wear as is, and then you can also belt it and layer it. Comes in the fuchsia, also in the navy, and they're going to be $28. In the floral top, they also have a dress. So this one is that same poplar material, has that little elastic around the neckline with the buttons. You could do a keyhole or leave it open. Seam detailing, elastic in the waist, long sleeve with the elastic on the wrist. Side pockets continues around the back in the pink, and then it also comes in the navy floral, and they're $28. Also new blazers from Free Assembly. This one has that smaller collar, lapel, double-breasted buttons, completely lined, flat pockets, the seam in the back. So that's what this material looks like, and then it also comes in a twill in the navy, and they're going to be $42. Also newer dresses from Free Assembly. These have that rounded neckline, fabric covered buttons up until the waist, and then the drawstring, side pocket in the navy or blue and white stripe. Also comes in the denim. It's a little thicker material, and these are $28. Also from Free Assembly are these little crop twill jackets. So these have that drop sleeve, the tortoise button on the wrist, smaller collar, full functioning buttons with the 2 flat pockets. These are newer. I'm pretty sure we just saw these for the first time last week, and they're $34. To match back to the rib sweater tanks, they also have these little cardigans from Free Assembly. So they have that scallop trim, oversized gold buttons, the 2 pockets, scallop trim on the wrist, in the ivory. So the top, that sweater also probably comes in the ivory, and then it matches back to the pink and the navy. Oh, it's different. These are $26, and then these are also new from Free Assembly. So they have the rhinestone buttons, stretchy cable knit with the ribbed wrist. This one also comes in yellow, and they're $26. Also from Free Assembly are these jumpsuits. So these have that smaller collar, full functioning buttons. Also has the button on the wrist with the belt. It's a wide leg, no pockets in the back. In the green, also comes in the denim, and they're $36. Pretty sure they brought back these platforms from Scoop. So these have that rounded toe, chunky heel with the platform. They have them in solid colors. This is when they had that beige. These are new from Scoop. So it's a velvet material, has that rounded toe with the platform, the crisscross with the chunky heel. Also new sweat shorts from Free Assembly. These have that elastic waistband, drawstring, side pockets, a super soft fleece with the little slits, and these are going to be $15. Also full button down dress from Free Assembly. This one has that rounded collar, pocket, elastic in the waist, and then it also has the belt, elastic on the wrist, and then the seam detailing in the back. Comes in the blue stripe, also this navy floral, and they are going to be $36. Skirt from Free Assembly. These have the whiskering, the slit. It's about a little longer than your knee length, and they're going to be $24. To match back to these shorts, they have these sweatshirts. So it's a quarter zip, that same plush fleece, drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist. Also has the side pocket with the slits on the side. These are $22. Denim from Free Assembly. These are a straight wash. They have the whiskering, one rip at the knee, raw hem. They are going to be $27. And they also have these cargo pants from Free Assembly. These are a high rise, pork chop pocket. Has that side with the embroidering, flat pocket through the leg. And then pockets on the back. And the navy also comes in the green. And they're going to be $26. Crew neck tees from Free Assembly. So these are a relaxed fit. They have this burnout wash, shorter sleeve in the green. Also comes in pink, gray, blue. There's oatmeal. And they're $12. And then I love these rib tees. They have that crew neckline, short sleeve, fitted through the body. Those are $12. Melissa flares from Sofia Vergara. So these are a high rise. They have this solid black with pockets in the back. These are going to be $27.50. Oversized chambray button down from Sofia Vergara. These have the smaller collar, full button down, the 2 flat pockets, button detail on the wrist, scoops in the back with that seam, and these are going to be $26. Sneak peek twill pants from Free Assembly. So these have that pleated top, side pocket, straight through the leg, and then trouser style pockets in the back. So these are going to be $26. Double-breasted blazer from Scoop. So this one has the smaller collar lapel. This is the extra small, so it is that longer length. It has tortoise buttons. It's completely lined on the inside. Relaxed through the wrist with the buttons. And then the seam detailing in the back. These are going to be $42. Ribbed sweater from Scoop. So this has that boat neckline, the drop sleeve fitted through the wrist, also in the body. These are going to be $28. Of these slip skirts to match. So these have the elastic waistband. They're nice and flowy. It's a really nice kind of satin material. In the yellow, also comes in navy, and they're $24. And tops from Free Assembly. So these have that higher neckline. It's a dolman sleeve, nice and flowy. Scoops in the middle with the keyhole in the back. Comes in the yellow, also in the blue. These are $20. We saw the dresses in the last video. New colors in the V-neck scuba sweatshirts from Scoop. So these have that oversized ribbing, the drop sleeve, oversized ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. That same fit through the back in the ivory. Also comes in black. Those are the 2 colors. We saw the high neck options in the gray. The high neck is $19, and then the V-necks are $22. You match back with the scuba V-necks, and I think you do the crew necks. They have these joggers. So these have the elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, true jogger bottom. They're super soft with the same fit through the back, and these are going to be $22. Prints and colors in the Scoop slip skirt. These have an elastic waistband, nice and flowy, with the seam detailing in the back. It comes in this taupey gray. They also have that watercolor print. We saw a few other pieces. And there's the fuchsia. And they're going to be $24. Also have in the scuba material these wide leg pants. I shared them before. They're high rise, side pocket, nice and flowy with the seam detailing. And the wide leg is $19. New satin slip dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that higher neckline, sleeveless, the thicker, flowy material, keyhole in the back, and it comes in the navy, also in the yellow, and they are going to be, they'll be linked down below. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.